Discover 11 amazing classic vehicles at unbeatable prices. From luxury rides to iconic muscle cars, which one will be your dream find? Let's dive in. Number 1. 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan, $1,500. This 1985 Cadillac Fleetwood, located in Tampa, Florida, is priced at $1,500. Showing 45,000 miles on the odometer, it features a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Equipped with the HT 4.1 motor and an automatic transmission, the car currently cranks but does not start, making it a promising project for restoration enthusiasts. The interior remains fully intact, offering a solid foundation for those looking to preserve its classic luxury charm. At this price point, it's an appealing opportunity for anyone eager to restore a timeless Cadillac icon. Number 2. 1979 Cadillac Fleetwood Sedan, $3,500. Available in Youngstown, Ohio, this 1979 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is priced at $3,500. Showcasing a striking triple green color scheme, this classic sedan exudes vintage charm. Powered by its original 425 motor, it has 126,000 miles on the odometer. The car is equipped with four-wheel disc brakes, though the brakes require a full overhaul due to their spongy condition. Despite this, the vehicle shows no major damage and comes with a clean title. Whether you're looking to restore it to its former glory or enjoy it as a nostalgic cruiser, this Fleetwood offers a solid foundation for Cadillac enthusiasts. Number 3. 1985 MC Pickup, $3,500. Located in Trafford, Alabama, this 1985 GMC pickup is offered at $3,500. With minimal surface rust and a small dent under the driver's taillight, the truck presents a solid and well-preserved exterior. It's powered by a 305 engine mated to a turbo 350 transmission, providing reliable performance, though a head gasket replacement is needed. This vintage pickup offers a strong foundation for restoration or customization, while still being suitable for daily use. For enthusiasts looking for a classic truck with character and potential, this GMC is a worthwhile choice. Number 4. 1984 Ford Mustang GT, $2,000. This 1984 Ford Mustang GT, located in Wickliffe, Ohio, is listed for $2,000. With 91,000 miles on the odometer and a T5 5-speed manual transmission, this classic muscle car features a 74-32 short block and E7 heads, offering solid performance potential. While the car requires a better carburetor or a rebuild, rust spot repairs, and brake work, its iconic styling and mechanical foundation make it a promising project. For Mustang enthusiasts seeking a vintage ride to restore or customize, this GT offers a great starting point at an accessible price. Number 5. 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $3,000. Located in Chicago, Illinois, this 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass is listed for $3,000 and boasts 164,000 miles. The car runs well and features a striking burgundy exterior paired with a unique purple interior, making it a standout on the road. The seller has already addressed significant repairs by leaving minor tasks such as a front clip and headlight installation to finish. For those looking to own a classic with character and charm, this Cutlass offers an excellent opportunity to complete and enjoy a vintage American icon. Number 6. 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, $3,500. Located in Sebring, Florida, this 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 is listed for $3,500. The car runs smoothly and features an automatic transmission along with fully functional air conditioning, perfect for cruising and comfort. While the tires show some wear, the interior is in excellent condition, maintaining its classic charm. Whether you're in the market for a vintage ride to enjoy or a solid foundation for a restoration project, this Camaro Z28 is ready for its next chapter with an enthusiastic owner. Number 7. 1985 Chevrolet 2500 long bed, $3,000. Available in Muscatine, Iowa, this 1985 Chevrolet 2500 is priced at $3,000. Powered by a reliable 3-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, the truck runs smoothly and includes recently installed new tires and an updated radio for added convenience. While there is some rust present, the overall condition is solid, making it a practical choice for a classic work truck or a rewarding restoration project. Whether for everyday use or a complete rebuild, this Chevrolet 2500 offers versatility and potential. Number 8. 1985 Ford F250 long bed, 1,200 truck. This 1985 Ford F250 long bed, listed for $1,200 in Crete, Nebraska, is equipped with a robust 6.9-liter diesel engine and 4x4 capabilities, making it a tough and reliable truck. While it currently needs brake work to be roadworthy, it runs well and offers great potential for a budget-friendly project. Over the years, the truck has been sitting, but with some attention and effort, it could be restored into a dependable and versatile vehicle. Whether for work, recreation, or just a classic restoration, this Ford F250 provides a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking to bring it back to life. Number 9. 1982 Chevrolet S10, $1,500. Listed for $1,500 in Macomb, Mississippi, 1982 Chevrolet S10 is an affordable and dependable classic truck. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives smoothly with no significant mechanical issues. While there are a few minor imperfections such as cosmetic wear and minor repairs, this vintage pickup is an excellent option for those seeking a budget-friendly restoration project or a reliable workhorse. With some attention to detail, it could be transformed into a well-maintained classic that serves both form and function. Number 10. 1979 GMC 1500 long bed, $3,200. Listed for $3,200 in Hamilton, Indiana, this 1979 GMC 1500 is a solid option for enthusiasts looking for a classic truck with potential. It runs and drives, but is currently operating off a gas can. However, a new gas tank is included. Powered by a 350 engine with a cam and paired with an SM 465 transmission, the truck showcases a well-maintained body in great condition for its age. Whether for restoration or everyday use, this vintage pickup offers versatility and a promising foundation for classic truck lovers. Number 11. 1984 Mercedes-Benz 190D. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 190D is available for $900 in Hickory, North Carolina. With 300,000 miles, it offers a classic appeal for diesel enthusiasts. Powered by a 2.2-liter engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this vintage sedan was a reliable daily driver until a fuel line issue and a busted headlight from a deer collision took it out of commission. The seller is seeking a new owner ready for restoration. For Mercedes-Benz aficionados or anyone looking for a rewarding classic car project, this affordable 190D provides a promising opportunity.